A regular banana cheesecake can have over 350 calories per slice. This one, just 82. No sugar, no flour, just bananas, yogurt, and a few simple ingredients. Soft, slightly creamy, and melts in your mouth, but still holds its shape. Start by mashing 2 very ripe bananas. Add eggs, Greek yogurt, a pinch of salt, sweetener. I use liquid stevia, but any sweetener works, plus vanilla and a little cinnamon. In a separate bowl, mix baking powder and cornstarch. Then stir it into the wet ingredients until smooth. Pour the mixture into a lined pan and gently tap to remove air bubbles. This dessert bakes low and slow at just 330 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. If you're here, you probably want to eat lighter in a low-calorie way that still supports your health and doesn't mean giving up the foods you actually enjoy. I really do understand how important that is. That's why I've put together everyday meal collections. Breakfasts, lunches, dinners, plus sweet treats, healthy bakes, and bread swaps. Each one comes with clear recipes, full calorie and macro info, and a complete shopping list to make things easier. You'll find the links in the description. Once baked, turn the oven off, crack the door, and let it rest for 10 minutes inside. Then cool to room temperature and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. It's good warm, but if you want that firmer texture, chilling is key. Serve it plain with a little powdered sweetener on top or add a spoon of jam. I'm using a homemade sugar-free strawberry jam. Super easy to make. Let me know if you want the recipe in the comments. Full recipe and macros are in the description. Cooking the food that loves you back. Karina.